Hey everybody, Mike Petteruti, pH2O Water for Life here. Just checking in again with you to let you know a little bit about why water ionizers are considered medicine water in Japan. In fact, what it has done for me, it helped me cure myself of 3 years of chronic gout, cellulitis in my knees, and I even had some skin cancer fall off my face, and I had it for like 17 years. The only thing that really changed in my life was the fact that I started drinking ionized water. Relating to all three of those different diseases that literally left my body almost immediately within 8 weeks. So quite a powerful thing. And the reason why, let me explain to you, the water is so powerful is it does a number of things. And so when you ionize water or you send it through electrolysis, you split it up into two quadrants, negative and positive polarity or ionization of the water, which essentially considers it turns into acidic or a high pH alkaline water. So obviously we're consuming water, and at 7.4 is what our body is. If you consume anything above that up to about 8.5, that's ideal. Not only do we do that through the electrolysis process, we also create something called a negative ORP, oxidative reductive potential. And what that does is basically by creating dissolved molecular hydrogen in the water, we're able to infuse the water with oxygen, something that the water does not have anymore. Maybe when it came from the earth and it was clashing against itself and moving through springs and had all this activity, certainly, and the minerals certainly probably had a lot of oxygen then, but that's not how we get our water anymore. And so through the electrolysis process, we're able to infuse this dissolved molecular hydrogen into the water, creating oxygenated water. And then we also break up the water clusters with the electrolysis. And what that means is basically your water typically clusters in 20 to 30 clusters or microclusters. And when we do the ionization, it actually breaks it down so that it's more digestible into your human cell. And what I mean by that is your human cell only has a one water molecule opening on it. It's called an intracell. 2 Nobel Prize winners from the Chernobyl accident discovered this when they studied a group of people who survived through the Chernobyl accidents while everybody else was dying. They realized and found this one molecule, water molecule size opening in the human cell. So yes, that's what we're able to do. We're able to, break the water up into a high alkaline, low acidic waters. 2, to break up the water clusters from a microcluster into individual molecules, so we're able to digest that water, and then we infuse it with oxygen. And by doing that, when we send that water molecule into the human cell, it exchanges it for what? A free radical. And so now what do you have? You have antioxidant water. Amazing stuff. It'll help you have a really healthy and enjoyable life. Trust me, mine's been great. Thanks again, everybody. Mike Petteruti, pH2O Water for Life.